Remove viruses and junk files from your laptop or PC in under 5 minutes without paying for any software? Most people only clean one thing and leave the rest. Big mistake. Watch to the end because I'm about to show you 3 different ways to clean and protect your computer. Turn on a virus scan. Click the Start button, then click Settings. Under Settings, find Update and Security and click on it. Then click Windows Security on the left side. Now click Open Windows Security. Inside, click Virus and Threat Protection, and then click Quick Scan. Important. Let this scan run completely. It checks the most common places where viruses hide. Clean system junk the smart way. Press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard. Type Cleanmgr and press Enter. Select your C drive. This is where Windows lives. Check all the boxes to remove junk files and system-created temporary files. Then click Delete Files. Keep watching. This alone can free up gigabytes. Deep clean temporary files. This step is critical. Open the Run box again by pressing Windows key plus R. This time type temp and press Enter. Once the folder opens, press Ctrl plus A to select everything inside. Now here's the pro move. Instead of just pressing Delete, press Shift plus Delete to permanently remove all those temporary system junk files. They skip the recycle bin and vanish instantly. Warning. If a pop-up says a file is currently in use, just skip it. That's completely normal. You didn't break anything, just skip those few files and delete the rest. You just ran a virus scan, deleted junk files, and permanently wiped temporary system clutter. Your computer is now cleaner, faster, and safer. Hit subscribe and watch the next video where I show you how to double your startup speed using only built-in Windows tools.